With her old home just sold and once again on the prowl for a new landmark, it's no surprise that Ashley Tisdale has been looking for a new home to call hers. This time, she has found a mid-century ranch-style residence in the hills, not far from her previous property. Luckily for you, TTP member, we prepared all the things you need to know about this elegant ranch in the hills that Ashley Tisdale just purchased. Missing Ashley Tisdale in High School Musical? Let us get to know her more in this video. With the purchase of a mid-century ranch-style home, Ashley Tisdale just bought her second property in Los Angeles. Knowing that she would not be able to renovate and sell her High School Musical alma mater, she found a new home that is also close by. Jamie Johnson sold her property on East 64th Street in New York City to 2016 Grammy-nominated jazz singer Tisdale for $6.2 million in cash recently. It's double what she bought it for 5 years ago and is still comfortably over the $3.3 million she originally paid for it. The Hollywood Hills is a neighborhood in Los Angeles with a quiet street lined with multi-million-dollar mansions. The area is much less flashy than other neighborhoods in LA, like the Bird Streets or the Sunset Strip. Tisdale's new home consists of a private entrance, surrounded by hedges, and a gated driveway. It provides complete privacy from the street. Lacking the luxury of time, many wealthy individuals are taking a shortcut and paying to have their houses styled in a contemporary way, complete with interiors that reflect traditional Japanese influences and an exotic kidney-shaped pool. This luxurious home is likely still more than worth its price. The home's single-story design is enhanced with large windows, natural lighting, and a warm color palette of honey-hued hardwood floors and original timbered ceilings. The living room has a fireplace with a fluted plaster surround, and the kitchen has ultra-premium appliances, quartz counters, and cabinets that are dark olive green in color. The main house is also equipped with 4 bedrooms, a bathroom trimmed with gold Calcutta marble, and a walk-in closet crafted with rare Douglas fir paneling. Other spaces inside the house include a grand dining room with expensive light fixtures and a hidden floor below, which includes a professional screening room or movie theater. The house is also equipped with a high-end security or audiovisual smart system. This property spans around 1/3 of an acre and is filled with bountiful gardens and trees that are designed by noted landscape designer Terremoto. There are also vegetable gardens, as well as fruit trees, that envelop the small guest house. The hedge wall provides privacy for swimmers and sunbathers. It also surrounds the patio that offers a sense of celebrity, yet an outdoor area to be intimate with. Tisdale is a native of New Jersey and a real estate lover who has bought and sold many Los Angeles homes. Most of them have been in Hollywood Hills and Los Feliz neighborhoods. Her first major success was in 2002 Disney Channel series The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, but she most prominently portrayed Sharpay Evans in High School Musical and signed a recording contract with Capitol Records. If you think that's it, then you're wrong. Let us get to know Ashley Tisdale more. Ashley Tisdale is a multi-talented American personality who has showcased her brilliance as an actress, singer, and producer. Ashley's exceptional talent first came into the limelight when she became the face of more than 100 national ads on television. In 2005, Tisdale received wide acclaim for her performance as Sharpay Evans in High School Musical. She continued to work as an actress in feature films and television, with a cameo appearance in Pushing Daisies, before picking up an iconic role as the Disney Channel character Maddie Fitzpatrick in the spin-off series KZ Undercover. Alongside her acting career, Tisdale achieved multiple hit albums in the music industry as well. Headstrong and Guilty Pleasure were major successes that propelled her towards success. Blondie Girl Productions allows Tisdale to collaborate with artists from a wide variety of genres. Considered as a sex symbol, she is such a popular and recognizable figure in social media that she even won an award for Social Media Superstar at the Young Hollywood Awards. Ashley Tisdale was born on July 2, 1985, in Monmouth County, New Jersey, to a Christian father, Michael Tisdale, and a Jewish mother, Lisa Morris. She has an elder sister, Jennifer. Her father was a contractor by profession. From the tender age of 3, Ashley Tisdale was cast in advertisements which led to her acting in over 100 national television commercials. Prodigy child or not, Ashley Tisdale has been given the opportunity to show off her many talents. With Tisdale's performance as the Who's wife, she began her acting in theater. She was first featured in Gypsy, a musical fable, and The Sound of Music at Monmouth County's Jewish Community Center. At the age of 8, she landed the role of Cosette in the musical Les Miserables. Following this, she toured for 2 years with Les Miserables before landing a role in the touring production of Annie in Korea. As an American actress, she flourished there and performed at Seoul Belltime Theater as well as other places. Tisdale has had roles on shows such as The Hughleys, Smart Guy, Seventh Heaven, Boston Public, and Bet. In 2015, she also had a role in the film A Bug's Life and Donnie Darko. Additionally, Tisdale was a Ford model. Tisdale starred as a teenage candy counter girl in the television series The Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, which premiered in 2005. Running until September 2008, the series won Tisdale her first independent award. In 2006, she played Sharpay Evans in the Disney Channel original movie High School Musical. The film was released to 7.7 million people, making it the most watched movie of that year. Its soundtrack also became the top-selling album of that year, selling 3.7 million copies. Tisdale's songs appeared on the Billboard Hot 100 chart, making her the first female artist to debut with 2 songs simultaneously on the Hot 100. Following the success of High School Musical, she signed a record deal with Warner Brothers Records and began recording on her debut album. The album was released on February of 2007. Headstrong was eventually given a gold certification from the RIAA. Ashley Tisdale reprised her role of Sharpay Evans for the second film of High School Musical in 2007. This premiered to 17 million viewers and became the most watched movie on cable television, as well as topping the Billboard charts. The soundtrack also debuted at number 1. She also voiced the character of Candice Jackson in the animated series Phineas and Ferb. It became the most watched show among kids and tweens over the years. Ashley Tisdale started her own production company in 2008, named Blondie Girls Productions. The debut release, Picture This, marked Tisdale's first feature as an executive producer and leading actress. Critically and commercially lauded, the movie was released on television. After starring in 2 spin-offs and a blockbuster, Sharpay got her third shot at stardom with High School Musical 3, which earned $255 million at the US box office. Both the audience and critics were keen to laud her acting ability. After the success of her first album, Guilty Pleasure followed in June 2009. This album debuted at number 12 on the Billboard 200. In 2010, Tisdale made a return to broadcast television with the CW drama series Hellcats. In the same year, she voiced roles for The Cleveland Show, Family Guy, and Glenn Martin DDS. In 2013, Ashley Tisdale Production Company signed a multi-year agreement with Relativity Media and created, developed, and produced films and television series. The first project after the deal was Misadvised, which debuted on Bravo and lasted for 1 season, a reality show that followed 3 relationship experts from singlehood to marriage. It was just one of the many projects produced by Ashley's production company. Sharpay appears in the continuation of the High School Musical, Sharpay's Fabulous Adventure. The sequel focuses on the life of Sharpay after high school. In 2013, she had a recurring role on ABC sitcom's Super Fun Night, as well as on the CBS comedy series The Crazy Ones. Simultaneously, she has also appeared in the Disney Channel feature film Inner Circle, the TV movie Cloud9, and the ABC family comedy series Young and Hungry. She also starred in the animated series Sabrina, Secrets of a Teenage Witch, and co-starred on the TBS comedy series Clipped. Tisdale released an independent single titled You're Always Here in December 2013. The song is an elegy about her late grandfather. Ashley Tisdale has been an active supporter for various charities. In 2008, she collaborated with the Make-A-Wish Foundation. Ashley is also an ardent supporter of Habitat for Humanity. She worked as a phone operator during the first 24 hours of Hope for Haiti Now, a global benefit for earthquake relief, in January 2010 to raise donations and fundraising activities. She has helped run Get on the Bus campaign for a charity and became a face of Project Pink in order to raise money for breast cancer research. Curious about her awards? In 2006, Ashley Tisdale won the Billboard Music Awards for Soundtrack Album of the Year for High School Musical. In 2007, she was nominated for Nickelodeon's UK Kids' Choice Awards as Best TV Actress and won American Music Awards Soundtrack Favorite Album for High School Musical 2. In 2009, the MTV Movie Awards presented her with an award for High School Musical 3 Senior Year. The same year, along with the cast and a crew of the film, she received the Teen Choice Award for Choice Movie Music or Dance. In 2014, she was presented with the Young Hollywood Awards for Social Media Superstar. Ashley Tisdale was romantically involved with Jared Murillo from 2007 to 2009, Scott Spear from 2009 to 2011, and Chris Finch of Vanny Automatic in 2012. In 2013, they got engaged and finally married in September 8, 2014 in a private ceremony in Santa Barbara, California. Ashley gave birth to her first daughter on March 23, 2021. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.